If you're planning to start a business in Kentucky, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Kentucky, even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. If you are starting a business in Kentucky, forming an LLC can be a smart move. Because for one, you have asset protection. An LLC keeps your personal assets separate from your business debts, so your finances stay protected. You have a tax flexibility because Kentucky LLCs allow pass-through taxation, and you can even choose to be taxed like a corporation if that works better for you. You have a favorable environment because Kentucky offers low operating costs and incentives that support small business. And of course, simplicity. LLCs are easy to manage with fewer rules and less paperwork compared to other business structures. Next is to choose a name for your Kentucky LLC. Your LLC name must be unique and must include Limited Liability Company or LLC. You have to avoid names that imply the business or organization like bureau, bank, government without proper authority. Now, if you wanted to check the availability of your desired business name, all you have to do is very simple. Go to the Kentucky Secretary of State Business Search, enter your desired business name. If there are no matching results, your name is available. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Every LLC in Kentucky must have a registered agent, because they are the one that receives the legal and government documents on behalf of your LLC and must have a physical address in Kentucky. And if you wanted to be an agent of your own, you can do that provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. Now it's time to officially form your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization with the Kentucky Secretary of State. All you have to do is visit the official website, and you need to provide the LLC name, registered agent details, management structure. It depends if it's going to be like a member manage or manager manage. There is going to be a $40 fee, and the processing is usually fast when filed online. Kentucky doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but it's strongly recommended. An operating agreement outlines the ownership percentage, member roles, profit and loss distribution, rules for running the LLC, helping prevent disputes, and keeps your business organized. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Once your LLC is approved, it's time to handle the state taxes and licenses. Now, first of all, you need to register with the Kentucky Department of Revenue because that sets up the important tax accounts like sales tax, withholding tax if you have employees, and any other applicable state taxes. You need to make sure that you check the local requirements. Some cities or counties require business licenses, zoning permits, or occupational taxes, so be sure to verify what applies to your location. Now, to make things easier, you can visit the One Stop Business Portal for Kentucky at onestop.ky.gov, where you can complete most state registrations in one place. It's very quick, simple, and you're one step closer to being fully compliant. You see, traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including Kentucky. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the Premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option. You will be forwarded to a new page, and all you have to do is provide your desired business name. If you want to skip that and decide later, you can do so. Here, we need to select the state, and that's gonna be Kentucky. If you want to provide your email address and phone number, you can do that as well. And we need to select the industry. So in our case, that's gonna be affiliate marketing. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. There are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And basically that's it on how to register an LLC in Kentucky. Starting a business might feel overwhelming at first, but once you break it down, it's actually pretty simple and you've already taken the biggest step. But if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.